Fact: the Earth is an oblate spheroid. Explanation: the Earth is not a perfect sphere but slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator due to its rotation. Example: if you imagine spinning a wet tennis ball, you'll notice the water moves towards the equator, demonstrating the bulging effect due to rotation. Fact: the speed of light in a vacuum is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, or 299,792 kilometers per second. Explanation: this is the fundamental constant that governs the maximum speed at which information or matter can travel in the universe. Example: when we observe distant celestial objects through telescopes, we are essentially looking back in time since light takes time to reach us. Fact: water is essential for life on Earth. Explanation: water is a universal solvent and is crucial for various biological processes. Example: all known life forms, including humans, require water for survival. It plays a key role in metabolism, nutrient transport, and temperature regulation. Fact: DNA carries genetic information in all living organisms. Explanation: deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, is the molecule that contains the genetic instructions necessary for the development, functioning, and reproduction of living things. Example: DNA serves as the genetic blueprint in humans, determining physical traits, susceptibility to diseases, and various biological processes. Fact: the Big Bang Theory explains the origin of the universe. Explanation: the Big Bang Theory posits that the universe originated from an incredibly hot and dense state, expanding and cooling over billions of years. Example: the cosmic microwave background radiation is a leftover remnant of the Big Bang, providing strong evidence for this theory. Fact: photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. Explanation: photosynthesis is a vital biological process that sustains most life forms on Earth by producing oxygen and organic compounds. Example: green plants use photosynthesis to convert carbon dioxide in water into glucose, energy-rich sugar, and oxygen. Fact: the human brain consists of about 86 billion neurons. Explanation: neurons are specialized cells that form the building blocks of the nervous system, allowing us to think, feel, and process information. Example: every thought, sensation, and action is the result of complex interactions between these billions of neurons in the brain. Fact: the Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. Explanation: the Moon is a celestial body that orbits the Earth, reflecting sunlight to provide nighttime illumination. Example: tides on Earth are primarily influenced by the gravitational pull of the Moon, causing oceanic tides. Fact: the human immune system protects the body from harmful pathogens. Explanation: the immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that defends the body against infections and diseases. Example: when you recover from a cold or flu, it's the immune system that successfully fought off the invading virus. Fact: plate tectonics drive Earth's geological processes. Explanation: Earth's lithosphere is divided into several large plates that move and interact with each other, leading to earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain formation. Example: the Pacific Ring of Fire is a region where a significant number of earthquakes and volcanoes occur due to the movement of tectonic plates. Fact: the human body is made up of about 60% water. Explanation: water is a crucial component of human physiology and is present in various body tissues and fluids. Example: hydration is vital for bodily functions, and insufficient water intake can lead to dehydration and health issues. Fact: the Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy. Explanation: the Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system resides, and its structure is spiral with a central bar-shaped region. Example: if we observe the Milky Way from an external vantage point, it would appear as a spiral with a central bulge. Fact: gravity is the force that attracts objects with mass toward each other. Explanation: Gravity is responsible for holding planets, stars, and galaxies together and governs the motion of objects on Earth. Example: the force of gravity keeps us anchored to the ground, preventing us from floating off into space. Fact: the Sun is a main sequence star of spectral type G2V. Explanation: the Sun is a typical star in its main phase of hydrogen fusion, belonging to the G-type stars with a surface temperature around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. Example: the Sun's energy sustains life on Earth and is the primary source of light and heat for our planet. Fact: the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world. Explanation: the Great Barrier Reef, off the coast of Australia, is an extensive ecosystem composed of coral formations. Example: the diverse marine life and the reef itself depend on each other, creating a delicate ecological balance. Fact: the Internet is a global network of interconnected computers and servers. Explanation: the Internet facilitates communication, information exchange, and various online services worldwide. Example: when you access a website, data travels across the Internet from the server to your device, allowing you to view the content. Fact: the theory of relativity was formulated by Albert Einstein. Explanation: Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. Example: the theory explains phenomena like time dilation, which is observable in experiments involving high-speed travel and gravitational fields. Fact: the periodic table organizes elements based on their properties and atomic numbers. Explanation: the periodic table is a systematic arrangement of all known chemical elements, allowing scientists to predict their behavior and relationships. Example: elements in the same group often exhibit similar chemical properties, such as the alkali metals, which are highly reactive. Fact: the Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Explanation: the Amazon rainforest spans multiple countries in South America and is a critical ecosystem for biodiversity and climate regulation. Example: the Amazon rainforest is home to countless plant and animal species, many of which are yet to be discovered. Fact: E=mc² is the famous equation representing the relationship between energy and mass in relativity. Explanation: the equation shows that energy, E, and mass, m, are interchangeable, and that a small amount of mass can release a tremendous amount of energy. Example: nuclear reactions, such as those occurring in the sun or nuclear power plants, demonstrate the conversion of mass into energy according to this equation.